and I feel disturbed because of that. So I don't know why it is so, but I am consistent and practicing, and it's I know it's I'm the creator, I am at the source of it. I only have to practice and practice further. So that is
And
my idea.
Vandana, I should say that अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना, तो you should connect with Vikas. How come
Sure,
Vikas I'm
sure.
not able to visualize? Tell me, demand.
Oh wow, wow, got that.
Vikas,
So
am I
because
saying what
I'm
you
going
want
to
me to
call
say?
you.
So
Sure,
I'm
sure.
anyone can approach me.
Of course, you
Absolutely.
have all the right. You are your family. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. He is always, I have called him earlier also, and very beautiful conversation we had. And but I didn't know. I thought it is me. I have to discover myself. But this is a beautiful pathway. I'll definitely approach Vikas, and he can guide me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
perfect.
Thank you for
Yes,
that.
Vandana.
Yeah.
And as I'm saying to
Yeah.
Vandana, it's for everybody, including me. So moment I feel that I'm not able to connect, something is amiss, I can always contact and find out from Vikas what is it that playing up in my mind. Perfect. So guys, now your breakthroughs and your breakthroughs. We just want to listen to that. So raise your hand, guys. I want everybody to share. Look at the 17 people. Let's do this. We're going to complete it 8:50. 1 minute. Raise your hands. I would want you to digital raise your hand. Arun Balbir ji, आपको कुछ बोलना है तो I would request you guys. Raj Lakshmi, yes, 1 minute. Start.
Yeah, hi everyone. It's my first month with you all. Okay. One thing I want to acknowledge first is Vikas. I've been 98% consistent on the visualization. Once or twice on Sundays, I could not join, but manually practiced. So, state of mind, that is the first breakthrough. And second breakthrough, realization how much time you waste in a day. That is also very important. Structuring the day to some extent so that you're not getting overwhelmed. Those were my breakthroughs. Hope to have more in the future with you all.
Of course, Raj.
Affirmations, lovely. My incompletions, I wish I could have joined you all for the exercise session. Exercise sessions also were amazing. In future, yes, I will. Right now, I am recovering from COVID. Yeah, laga mere ko bhi COVID finally. Treating with all the patients. Yeah. So,
Okay. Thank you, Raj Lakshmi. Thank you. And please share generously on the group. I think some people have 2 devices. Can you just check that? Seema ji, aapke 2 devices on hai. Yeah, so kindly share in the group as well. Yes, Seema. After Seema will be Reena.
Seema is double. So
भगवान के जैसा.
भगवान के जैसा सब जगह छाई बड़ा है ना बड़ा आया. So she's everywhere. Badi badi.
Okay, yes. Let's do this with velocity, Seema.
Yeah. So for me, I mean, taking the laughter challenge. I mean, first thing which this came in on its own, and I realized what I'm capable of maybe, and somehow I've been so consistent. I enjoyed each and every moment. I came to know about my goal. I was not sure what I wanted in my life. So it created a clear idea where I'm going and where should I go or something like that. So more and more each and every day I'm learning and I'm growing and my vision is getting clearer and I'm improving in all my habits. So I think that's a great thing. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. And I would want Rajesh to share before Reena. Rajesh is there. Is he there? Can you share, Rajesh?
I'm there.
Exit from one device.
Seema, your both mics are on.
Your voice is echoing.
Seema,
Can
please
you exit from one, please?
unmute. Yeah.
Yes,
now
Rajesh.
clear. Now clear.
Thank you.
Yes. Darshana, you want to say something for me?
Yeah, I want you to share. What did you accomplish?
So I come. What I accomplished in this 3.0. So I connect with my community and invite them. Some of did well, some of their daily some issues, but anyhow, what I get that the some subconscious mind very powerfully I got this uh, the mind, subconscious mind very मुझे बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मिला वो. And second thing, my daughter jump in the leadership program or visualization program, and I'm happy for that. Yeah, this is it for me. Thank you, Darshana, and thank you all the super leaders. You are contributing in my life. Yeah.
Perfect. And you know why I asked Rajesh to share? I would want you guys to really, I would want to announce this fantastic, fantastic news that Rajesh and Seema. So I'm doing this on behalf of all the super leaders. All the super leaders, I want you to be with me at this point in time. I'm so delighted to announce that Seema and Rajesh are in our super leader team. Guys, unmute yourself and I want all of you to clap for them. Come on. Unmute. You have to unmute yourself, guys.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you so
amazing
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Amazing
Congratulations,
contribution.
Seema.
Thank you.
Selfless. And they
Yes.
just want to enroll people and get transformed. So I know, I understand, Reena, you know how things move when people get to you. Raj Lakshmi was getting by Uma. So I'm sure she's going to always thank her. So thank you so much, super leaders. In your space, these leaders have come up with super leaders. And in beta version, and in our Plan to Win 4.0, the beta version is a trial version, training version, where all the leaders, we want you to step up as super leaders. We want so many super leaders. You know, our visualization from 38 has gone to 280. You can imagine, it's like a breakthrough just before we could close. And I am not kidding. I'm completely sure that we are going to be talking about 1,000 people when we complete our 4.0 beta version. So super leaders, we want you, all of you. Yes. Sorry, Reena, it's now you who will be going next.
Yeah, so thank you, Darshana, firstly. And secondly, my breakthrough was firstly the visualization session that I was attending, because I was not very regular, but with visualization, I connected with myself. So that was a great breakthrough for me. Secondly, I am a great procrastinator. So with that, your to-do list and your goals, I got a new goal, which was very wonderful. It was a great breakthrough. I started my own podcasting, and that was something good for me. Yes.
Wow.
And I loved it, actually. So that was a great breakthrough. I was getting a new goal for myself. So yeah, so I should thank you guys a lot, because you've given me a lot of confidence and to do something and to get organized. Thanks again.
Reena, a very quick one for you.
Yeah.
For you, the sentence which you said, I need you to change that sentence right away. So you said I am some
procrastinator.
So will you please promise and take an oath here that you will not never utter that sentence now?
Okay, I do take an oath. I will not do it again.
So can you create what you want to be? Okay, can you create what you want to be?
Being a go-getter rather than being.
So who are you right now?
I am going to be.
Who are you right now?
I am a procrastinator, but I want to be.
No, you're not a
No.
procrastinator.
Who are you right now?
No.
You're a go-getter.
I am a go-getter. Okay.
Can you declare that?
Okay, yes, I am a go-getter now.
Perfect.
Can you just say it 3 times? Sorry,
I am a
Darshana.
go-getter. I'm a go-getter, and I am a go-getter. Oh, I will do it.
Yes, now we see the power.
And now I
Thank
want
you,
everybody
Gitanjali.
type who are you in the chat. Okay. When Vikas is going through, let us type who are you.
Yep.
Yes, Vikas.
Hello, everyone. This is Vikas, and I believe that magic and miracles happen in this life. जादू और चमत्कार इसी दुनिया में होते हैं. So when I used to ask people to take one person along with you in the visualization, it did not happen. We were stuck between 30 to 40 numbers. But I believe that if I'm adding value, people must. And one person who understood the value, and that person brought so many people together. And now we are going to reach almost 200, 500, and 1,000 also possible. I believed in myself. I believed in the team plan to win. And I believe that we all are doing something which is really very important. And many people are requiring these things. And people, I believe the system that we're doing is really worth attending. And now the number is increasing. The results are there in front of all of us. So believe in yourself, and entire universe will fall in love with you. This is what we have experienced in the last few days. So yes, visualization does work. Meditation, it does work. And with people like all of you, super leaders, and participants, that's all I want to say. And 4.0, we will have more exciting things will be at meditation and visualization session that you will experience soon. That's all. Thank you so much for being here.
But my super leader, I wanted you to share what did you accomplish?
I accomplished my own self-discipline also. This is one activity that I have been doing consistently with love and dedication. So I'm also being disciplined. I'm receiving so much of love and blessing from all of you, which has broken the blockages in my life, and I'm prospering in every area of my life. So it's a transformation in my life also. With all of you, all your love and blessing.
Fantastic. So I would like quickly, thank you so much, Vikas, and more. Sachin, I would want you to go next, and we are at 8:48. We'll be completing it at sharp 8:50. Maybe I'll take 2 minutes, 8:52. And guys, I would want everybody to share whatever you got. Yes, Sachin, go ahead. You're mute, Sachin. You're on mute.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much, Darshana. And I would like to, first of all, acknowledge and thanks to Rajesh Kamleji who joined me to this group. And really thankful to all super leaders. Those are putting their efforts and giving back and giving chance and improving everyone. There is no other intention. Super leaders are helping everyone, and I am also helping. I am also improving a lot because I have read, and as a trainer and director of the training company. So I know what it takes to improve someone's personality. So it's very difficult, and you people are doing a fantabulous job of connecting and networking and all the peoples all over the India, and all over the India. I think there are all over the world people in this group. So that's really amazing, and I'm thankful to all super leaders, Vikas and what Kernar, Gitanjali, Darshana. You are very super people that you are helping everyone to improve our personality, and I am very happy that I am connected to such people. Those are heartily making changes in the people, and they want because the surrounding and everything is very difficult for everyone. So in this pandemic and corona conditions, it is much helpful for everyone. And what I was doing, actually exercise and all, and after joining, what my breakthrough is that I am continuously joining. There was actually some gap when I personally I was doing, but when I joined this group, consistently I am joining 7:30 visualization training, and I am following my task, what I am going to do throughout the day. That consistently I am doing, and that's becoming my habit now. So that's fantastic, and I am thankful to everyone. Those are putting their efforts for these changes. And really thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You know what, guys, I want your alignment. I'm really like, it's 8:51 and this is heartfelt. I mean, क्या हो रहा है कि आप लोग हमारी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, बल्कि हम ये चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों ने क्या कॉज किया है भाई. Tell us. We know we got your love. So I want to know how is if anybody, like we're at 8:51. I know I'm exceeding, but if you are going to share our breakthroughs, I would want people to hear that. And guys, do I have your alignment to go until 8:59? Can and I want everybody to share what have you got. If you have alignment, please type Y. And if you don't have alignment, you put N. For them, I am declaring this meeting is complete and those people can leave. But I'm all ears to listen to the breakthroughs and want to share mine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So those who are not aligned can put N, and with due respect and lots of love, we can, you can leave the meeting, but I would want you to tell me, what did you get? Yes. So kindly, guys, we got your acknowledgement and love. I want to know, what did you get? Yes. Who is it? Who wants to go next? Thank you so much for the alignment. So Sachin, Seema, share ho gaye. Baki log, Arun, I'm demanding you guys to share. GK, come on. What did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, guys, I was one of the most unreliable creatures in my own eyes, just because I was so moody and so I would always be unstoppable, always, but I wouldn't know what I'm going to do next. It was like that unreliable, even to myself, right? I would just be on the go creating. What this program has first time ever given me is consistency and consistency planning. It's a glimpse into planning, and the kind of tools which I've been using, they have been deepened. And not only in my life, these results obviously are not short term. They're obviously part of your DNA because you've done it for almost like 90 days, Darshana, now. Absolutely. Since day 0. So they are definitely part, and they are micro habits. I kept on realizing that every little structure is so meaningfully designed. And the thing is that if you're getting a benefit from this, we are also adding on as per the benefit and deleting as per the not requirement. So it's becoming essential, guys. It's not just any program. It is not just any one program, which is a 3-day long program. It gives you gyan and that's it. And I've done, believe me, I've done a whole lot of these throughout my life. But it is something which you really practice every single day, so easily, so smoothly, to your life, to your tune. And yet you have a sense of accomplishment.
GK, what did you get? If you had, I know it's very
this is what I got. This is what I got. Ki I have created velocity and reliability in my life. Number one. Perfect. And then my team, they have started doing this creation completion. So we have around 200 people in my organization, out of which 20 are already doing this because they are the top leaders in the future. And by having leadership accountability, Darshana, thank you for giving me that. Because when I do that, it's not only my leadership, I am seeing everyone as a leader, and that is creating them as leaders. So that is huge. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Arun, what have you accomplished?
Yeah, so thank you. So what I have accomplished is, earlier I used to go way off track. When I used to take trainings, I used to be out 10 or 15 minutes late. Now with this plan to win, I am, I'm going perfectly minute by minute. So something which was not nature. I was always off by 10 minutes, 15 minutes on the completion of training. So I'm a trainer, and I have to do that. So this is like a tangible and workable thing. The other breakthroughs that I see is in the area of interviews. I hardly used to get any calls. Now, over last weeks, I am on an average getting 3-4 interview calls lined up. So this is kind of a miracle. This is kind of a breakthrough. I never thought that this is possible with me, and I used to blame and come up with reasons and say that ye hoga, iske wajah se aisa hoga, and all those things. So that cleared out. My bank balance, I won't say it's off the roof, but I'm really like, acha, matlab few months back, this wasn't the case. The case was, it's better not to get that, that case. So now it's like, okay, wow, theek hai, abhi jitna hai, I'm like happy with that. So this is something that happened. Something that happened really well. And the last thing is, when it is 7:15, I know I have to look at phone. I don't know how it has got ingrained in me, but I know that I have to look at my phone, or 7:15 pe ek ring aane wali. So this power, that I know there is going to be call no matter what. And so this has become a kind of a life. So this wasn't earlier. Pehle to, you won't believe, I used to get about 9 baje uthta tha subah. So nothing to worry, nothing to, kuch kaam nahi hai, kuch nahi hai. 9 baje aaram se late night movies dekho, 9 baje utho, and all those things. So Plan to Win changed my life in that sense. Yeah. Thank you. I think I took a lot of time.
Fantastic. That was.
Can I
what
go
was
now,
saying.
Darshana? Darshana, can I go now?
Uma, of course, Uma. Next is you. After Uma, Shalaka.
Yeah. See, you are now seeing on the screen a different person. For everything, I used to wait for somebody's approval. Meaning, I was not confident that what decision I'm taking is the right decision. Then I came to know through this Plan to Win, we take decision and we make it right. That's what the saying says. So when you plan, take a decision, plan it and make it work. And in the visualization, you keep seeing what you want to be, and your word becomes your word. That's it. It's so simple. Life has been so simple after coming here. I mean, abhi I'm realizing, so simple life ko maine complicate karke rakha tha. So thank you very much, all my buddies, all my leaders, all my participants, and Darshana, simply love you. Thank you for creating something like this. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Uma, I got your acknowledgement. And Shalaka.
First of all, Darshana, thank you, all of you, for being there in my life. I really acknowledge each and every super leader, each and every person who is there in this meeting for there in my life, because of you, my life has become a complete enrichment. And let me tell you about myself. I was never serious about fitness, and I am, because of Plan to Win, I'm very serious and focusing on my goal, and I'm reaching towards that. And that's an awesome breakthrough for me. And thank you so much for creating Plan to Win for me.
Thank you. And I promise that next completion meeting, we will have so many more things added to our accomplishment. I promise. Okay. I stand, and this is what I said last time. So guys, I know there are some more people who have raised their hands. So I would also want to share, but after everybody. Yes, Sangamitra, my sweetheart. Sangamitra, yes, please go ahead and share. Oh, we are at 9 o'clock.
Yes, hi.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm there.
You wanted to share, right?
Yes. So I found that I am doing my goals and I am working on it, and I am getting early in the morning to do that things that I got from this Plan to Win.
Great. Awesome.
Perfect, guys.
Now that's
Rajesh
very
is daughter.
specific. I must say, that's very specific in her sharing.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what I caused is I caused a batch in USA for my so I've become a global teacher in this Plan to Win 3.0. Of course, I've been doing off and on little work, but a
Wow,
proper batch established
congratulations.
in this particular 3.0. So I'm like,
Congratulations, Darshana.
thank you so much.
Congratulations.
So yeah, and I would want GK to take this forward. Yes, GK. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the acknowledgement.
Okay, I just wanted to take like maybe 1 minute, 30 seconds maximum to acknowledge all the super leaders, my buddies. So obviously you see Darshana is the founder. Then you see Arun on Sunday trainings, Professor Arun, the productivity master blaster, I call it, like, highly. Then Vikas, obviously we all know he is creating magic in our lives. But I also want to acknowledge my buddy Uma, who is creating all your buddy structures, rather, like everyone having a buddy is all due to Uma. And Uma is a powerful, bold super leader we have. Then we have, of course, Shalaka, who's taking your tech, sizing you up in tech and making sure everybody's up to date. And so I just wanted to acknowledge all these lovely, since 3 seasons we've been together, it's been a beautiful journey. And I'm really learning from everyone. Powerful. And now to have Seema and Rajesh. Seema has been completely backing me up with fitness. And I, of course, take leadership and fitness. But Seema has been backing me up beautifully with fitness daily and powered. And Rajesh brings so much, and he's brought I think 9 or 10 people into this program, and all are as equally committed. So hats off to you, Rajesh, for being the generous super leader you are already. And he's got this book. I hope we start another book wing with him. So you can think about that, Rajesh. So with that, thank you very much for my 1 minute.
Perfect. And GK is a powerful leadership queen. Okay, she manages the leadership body, the super leaders as well as the leaders. And thank you so much, GK, for who you are. And this is our so I mean, let me just do this. So we declare the Plan to Win 3.0 challenge complete. Okay, cool. Done.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Nazar is done.
Nazar is Chupar Rustam. I'm telling you, he's going to do something but miraculous. I'm seeing that coming in.
About whom are you talking?
Nazar is a Chupar Rustam. I'm telling you.
Chupar Rustam actor.
Yes. And what is new in
thank
Plan to Win 4.0 is we have new accountability areas, and here are these. Shalaka will keep going with Tech to Win. Seema is going to take up communication. That is all the messages that are posted. Seema is going to take up that. Vikas is not moving anywhere for visualization. Of course, you'll be seeing Uma also supporting him, and Gitanjali being there with him. Gitanjali is always managing leadership. So one more, this particular challenge she's managing. Sunday training, Arun, buddy review and follow-up will be done by Rajesh. That you're doing your reviews or not. The community is growing, that will be looked after by Uma. And I'm the one who is going to be at the service of all my super leaders. And we are going to together take this game forward. And I'm standing by, guys, if you follow these agreements, okay, believe me, हम लोगों को 1 घंटे की meeting लेनी पड़ेगी, breakthroughs. That is the only thing. That is why we are not changing the outcome and the possibility. Thank you, guys. 9:04, 34 minutes of this beautiful sharing. Anybody wants to say anything to complete this meeting? Any one person?
I want to thank Professor Arun sir also and Vikas also in particular. Amazing.
Yes, Seema, you want to say something before we close? Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I have to thank, Darshana, Gitanjali, Vikas, Shalaka. I made such good friends, and I have never been. I just don't know, but I feel so free with them, and I feel I could achieve so much, So I have people around me who can just take me through and achieve and get, I can create so many breakthroughs in my life. So I'm thankful to all of you. So that's a great, and thank you, Darshana, for creating this matter.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Vikas wants to say something.
Yes, I want to say something for everyone. I acknowledge Darshana for having this thought that we can come together and can have such platform where we can add some value in everyone's life. So I thank every super leader, I thank every leader, and I also thank every participant, because without participants and without leaders, we super leaders cannot do anything. Plan to win. Everyone is important here. Everyone has equal importance for all of us. Thank you for being here as a leader, as a super leader, as a participant, and you all to us. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nazar wants to say something, Chupa Rustam. I want to hear that. And then when I say, you all can put the heart so that I can take a photo of everybody. Yes? Yes, Nazar.
And
So
we can have cameras on.
Yeah, I'm so lucky that I'm surrounded by so powerful souls and so powerful people that it's my privilege, I can say. And some miracle started happening. I'll share it when I can see the great result. But I love you all, and you are really, all are great. Yeah. Thank you. So nice of you.
Fantastic.
I really acknowledge you all for that. Being great leaders, being a great supporter.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. We got your acknowledgement, and I want each one of you now to quickly put your red heart, and I'm going to take your photo. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Wait a second.
Oh, just a second.
Second.
Keep doing, I'm taking the photo. Shalaka, we want your heart also.
Heart goes in a minute.
Yeah, it just goes.
Let's keep doing it.
Oh, sorry.
Don't let it go anywhere.
Sorry.
Perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Okay, guys, I love you all. It is 9:07, and we will meet in the next orientation meeting for Plan to Win 4.0. And please get in touch with the super leaders if you have any questions.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Take care
Bye.
and stay awesome. Bye bye.